everyone, this is Katia Plant Scientist. Welcome to my vegetable garden. Today I am using my raw strength to tame the earth. So as you can see, once the vegetable bed has been dug over, these huge clods of earth are left behind. And this is not a very good texture for growing plants in. So what I do instead of messing about with a rake and shovel is just simply to use my own raw strength to break up the clods into small pieces. I'm almost done with declodding the whole bed, and after that we will add a layer of processed chicken manure and bloodfish and bone meal, and we'll leave that out for the rain to mix it up with the soil over a course of some days. After that, then the bed will be ready to add our new baby plants that are growing in the greenhouse. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this inspires you to use your pure power to tame the earth. Have a good one and stay curious about plants.